It's okay to make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. But if English is not your first language, mistakes can sometimes cause problems. Maybe something you said doesn't sound natural, or you caused a misunderstanding because you used the wrong word or phrase. Maybe you can't understand what people are saying all the time. Or maybe in a movie or a TV show, you can't quite catch what the characters are saying. It's very common. The good news is that you can use your mistakes as tools to improve your English, to become a more confident, natural English speaker. Over the last 10 years, I've helped hundreds of thousands of students around the world improve their English. Along the way, I've collected the most common English mistakes, and I've put them in this course. Now, throughout the course, we're going to be looking at the blackboard just like this. I'll be writing just like this, except words and not just lines. And we're going to be talking about many different things. We'll be focusing on odd phrasing, on issues with verbs and different word forms. We'll be talking about redundancies and counting things and comparatives and superlatives and some things that you may have never thought about before that maybe native English speakers will notice immediately, and much, much more that I wasn't able to fit on the board here. So if that sounds good to you, if you're ready to use mistakes as tools to become a more natural, confident English speaker, sign up for the course, and I will see you in the first lesson.